Politics is a contact sport, but COVID-19 is changing the way we interact with one another. Candidates are having to find new ways to interact with voters. Mel Gagarin, a congressional candidate in New York's 6th District in Queens, was the first to call on Governor Andrew Cuomo to suspend petitioning requirements. They would limit the need for volunteers to be in close proximity to voters on the street. He says his campaign has had to rethink the way it operates.
I mean, for us, our campaign was very much a grassroots, on the field, door-to-door operation. And, we're just working our best to adapt to that. And so, we're also trying to think of like little creative ways that we can, provide some type of relief, and also aside from information, we ended up making our phone banking operation part of a mutual aid network in Flushing to help get groceries delivered to folks that were homebound or, just didn't feel safe going out and they're elderly or might be immunocompromised.
The state's presidential primary has been moved from April 28 to June 23, the same date as the congressional primaries. The unpredictable nature of the COVID-19 pandemic means that gathering in cramped spaces to vote may still not be safe by the summer. In other states, poll workers have refused to show up. In Florida, which held its election on March 17, at least 2 have tested positive for coronavirus. Gagarin thinks one safe way to give voters a voice at the poll is to make everyone eligible to vote absentee.
And so I think it would just be smart for the state to move forward with making it, everyone can have a mail-in ballot in order to make sure that our democracy continues to function, but that we're also continuing to put public health and safety first.
Gagarin, a member of Democratic Socialists of America, is challenging incumbent Grace Meng to her left. The race may come down to which candidate can best operate in the digital space. We reached out to Meng's campaign offices to see how COVID-19 is impacting its campaign, but we have not heard back. Reporting for the New York City News Service in Queens, I'm Ryan Sangalia.